ッションコールしちゃった。スパーキー飛べた。よかったよかったよ。
Wait, hold on. Is this part? Oh no, it's broken. No! Hello people, this is Eizy and welcome back to my channel. And this time around we have another Fremam's Girl by Kotobukiya to review. Well, a bit of accident happened earlier in the introduction. Well, I broke something from this figure, but somehow it doesn't stopping me from reviewing this Fremam's Girl Stylet by Kotobukiya. If we take a closer look for this Fremam's Girl Stylet, well, she has the aerodynamic design to it because of these wings here. We have wings down here and also wings at the top here. The front design, it looks like from a jet fighter, and also she's the head part here, like she's wearing a helmet because of this the white piece on her chin here, which I broke this piece here, and it does make her looks like wearing a helmet. At the back here we have the backpack of her, and it comes with a thruster and the engine. So overall this is the best from a jet fighter. If you guys already seen the anime, she's always floating in the air compared to the Gorai, because the Gorai is the ground type. She's a tank, while this one here is the jet fighter. So that's the characteristic of this Fremam's Girl. This is the first version of the Fremam's Girl Stylet after the release of the Fremam's Girl Gorai. Today she has another improved version of this Stylet, which is the Fremam's Girl Stylet XF3 version, which has a set of new weapons and also improved joints and also the articulation. The next is the Fremam's Girl hand scale Stylet, also the same design except the scale is a bit smaller compared to the normal one. Moving on to the size comparison with the Fremam's Girl Gorai here, Mega Man device, high grade Gundam, an android. She comes with 4 different type of face expression. The first one is the normal one, and the second one, looking to the left, smiling face while looking to the right. She also comes with this weapon here, the Gatling gun, the rocket launcher, which is this piece here can be removed. She also comes with this sword here, which has this holding piece. It can be removed like that, and also can be removed like that. There's 2. This one is the long, and this one is much longer. For the extra piece, she comes with this part here. This is from the original Fremam's kit. Also an extra joint here for the leg, knife here. This is originally from the Gorai. Set of fists, another set of open hand, and this piece here is the holder for the sword, the single one, and it also comes with the double one. Lastly, she comes with this Waterslide Decal here. We have 2 options, either you want to use the strip version or the normal blue color. And this is the number for Stylet. The 506 is the same from the Frem's arm version, and also she comes with this action base too. Moving on to the articulation, her head can move up about that far, move down about that far. There you go, side to side. She's using the same ball joint like the other Fremam's Girl and the Mega Man device. Her hair here can move up and down about that far. There's a ball joint and rotation. The backpack here can move up about that far, down about that far, and rotation here. Her hand here is a ball joint here, so she can make one rotation, can move up about that far. This piece here can rotate and can pull out like that, and her hand can bend about that far. Rotation here is the ball joint. Her upper body part can move side to side like that, forward a bit and backward like so. Her skirt can move up about that far, same goes to the front here, and there is no movement for the back here. Her leg is using the old school ball joint here, so it's a bit loose, but she can move forward about that far, backward about that far, swivel here, and this piece here also can move a bit. And she can bend about that far, and this piece here can pull out and can bend it like that, and this piece here, the wing, can rotate and can pull that out like so. This one can move about that far and can do pivot like that, like so, and the wheels here can move out like that and go back in like that. For this fixed left arm and also the leg here are nothing much fancy, just this is just there's no articulation at all on both parts here. It's just fixed, and it looks like she's stripping off something stocking here, I think. So that's it. This is actually comes with the old series of Remnant's Girl, the Gorai, the Stylet, and also the Architect, also with the Jinrai. For the weapon attachment, the launcher here, well, this one here has the male peg, well, this one on the arms here, there's a female hole here, so just simply slide this in like that. Here we go. And for this Gatling, just use this grabby hand, simply hold it like that and just slide this one in. And for this sword here, you can simply use this female connector at the back here, just simply slide that one like that. Next is the her grabby hand holding a sword here, and you can just put it like that. There you go. So these are the weapons included for this kit. Well, actually, the weakness of this model kit, well, since this is the first ever Frame-Ups Girl line, she's using the very old school ball joint, so there's a very loose joint here for the legs, and also her hand here while holding this Gatling gun is quite weak. It can not really that sturdy like that, it's quite weak, so due to this ball joint here. And also this Gatling gun here, there's no connector that can helps to at least hold this Gatling gun much better way, but this one here just like that, so it's pretty weak. So that's the weakness for this frame up skill Stylet. So that's all my review. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button if you guys like this video, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to share my contents and also this channel. Really appreciate that. So hope to see you guys next time in the next video. That's all for me today. Bye.